Capital has a mind, and this rolling window is how we read what it is doing to people's work. A signal earns attention only if it changes somebody's service or choices for the better. Here is the reading for August 26, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 1391 screen signals. The window added 9 net signals. Material added 4, intelligence shed 7, network shed 5 and diversity added 17. About 46.4 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 342, intelligence 590, network 187, and diversity 272. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. Follow the practical path from the claim to the people who can use it, inspect it, and share in what it creates. Material, AMI plans deployment of 9,000 Nvidia Rubin GPUs. It is marked rising with 342 signals in the window. The practical read is whether the hardware claim creates usable capacity, not just a momentum story. Intelligence, IBM closes HRL Labs deal to push quantum access forward. It is marked concentrating with 590 signals in the window. The practical read is whether the intelligence claim improves decisions people can question, not just a model headline. In the 1000-day window, quantum integration tilts toward whoever controls the stack first, tightening choices unless access infrastructure and standards remain open. Network, Taiwan charges 9 over alleged illegal AI server exports to China. It is marked concentrating with 187 signals in the window. The practical read is whether the tools create usable routes, not one owner's convenience. Diversity, inside OpenAI's reboot, internal reset signals control point realignment. It is marked concentrating with 272 signals in the window. The practical read is whether people can share, challenge, and benefit from the access claim today. Conscience is unchanged from the prior edition, with a concentrating reading at 39 out of 100. Concentrating signals lead widening ones by 81. Abstraction is where accountability disappears. A concentrating score is not comfort. The stack has to stay inspectable, the rules contestable, and the capability usable beyond the owners. The practical read is simple: keep the power story connected to lived consequences. Capability becomes public value only when people can inspect the claim, challenge how it is used, and share in what it makes possible. Yesterday's reading expected intelligence to keep widening, and the window held the line. Intelligence reads widening at 590 signals. Diversity is the day's real momentum, net minus 101 inside a moving window, and capital that is moving is rarely finished arriving. Expect tomorrow's window to keep concentrating before it settles. Conscience is flat, so for now the benefit is still sitting at the owner's table. Unless the screen itself changes, that is the direction the mind of capital has already chosen. For the fuller context, today's The Cure protocol is linked in the description, including what could change this reading.